Hey there, Ben Lipper here. This robot is absolutely incredible. 124 points in 1 minute. Go ahead and check this out. Now, if you're looking at this robot, you're thinking, maybe that's something I'm interested in building. There's a link under this video. I'm going to click that. I'll send you a bunch of details on this guy, some details on kind of how I built it. Now, one of the really cool aspects of this robot is it has the ability to shoot in both the high goal and low goal using the same exact catapult. Now, we've seen this across a ton of robots, so this is part of why I wanted to share this with you. But basically what we have is there's a little tensioner in the back, and it's able to adjust how tight the rubber bands are, and that changes it so we can use the same catapult, same choo-choo, same intake, same everything, and all we do is we adjust how tight those rubber bands are. That lets us shoot high and low. Now, this robot's way simpler than a lot of the other designs that are out there, but it is absolutely incredible. Joseph and I have been playing around. This guy can get an incredible number of points. So if you're looking for something that's like not crazy hard to build, but is super good, this is an awesome place to start. So go ahead, like I said before, click the link under this video. I'll send you a bunch of details. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. As always, like and subscribe, and I cannot wait to see what you build this year.